There is no doubt in my mind. Megatron is up to something.
Yeah, he comes back to our universe with his own matrix of leadership. He builds this crazy wall, and he's not trying to attack us? There's something very, very wrong.
RC, Whirl, Jetfire, report.
No suspicious activity, just the usual creepy Decepticon stuff.
Same here. I have observed no unusual Decepticon. Wait, that's unusual. A strange beam coming right toward me. My wings! You did a great job. No, you did a great job. We did a great job. You really lined up that corner angle. How'd you get it so smooth? Oh,
Receive Jetfire's last known location, Optimus. I'm about to enter Decepticon territory.
Maintain comm silence. We are counting on you, Ratchet. Optimus out.
Huh? What are you doing here?
what are you doing here?
I'm on a rescue mission. Jetfire's down.
We're on a mission?
No, I'm on a mission.
Cool. We're gonna rescue Jetfire. I love Jetfire. I know! Me too! Hey, Ratchet, up top. Down low? My wings! Oh, thank the primes. My legs!
I think we found him.
My legs! His head. He's missing his head. Don't look.
Missing his head. Hate when that happens. Look around. See if you can find it. Never mind.
Ratchet. Oh, I'm back. I thought I was going to be trapped in unspace forever. Unspace?
You're telling me that your head was floating around in unspace.
I don't know what's wrong with me. I keep losing parts of my arm. Whoa!
Looks like parts of your body are existing at different quantum frequencies.
It was that strange Decepticon ray.
We've got to get you dimensionally aligned. Rack and Ruin, go to the shuttle and get my subatomic stabilizer, the purple one.
You got it. On our way. But that one's blue, not purple. It's a blue-purple.
Every time.
Huh?
Hey, there's our target. Thought he was supposed to be gone.
He will be. Let's get him out of here.
Hey, what?
Hey. Open the door, you piston head.
Ratchet! Jetfire! You know what this means. Time for us to rescue the rescue mission. We got this. Yeah, we do. I found them. Knew you would. Let's land this bucket. Ratchet and Jetfire are in there. Time to pay Ratchet a house call. 'Cause he's a doctor. Yeah, and time to pay Jetfire a jet call? Yeah, 'cause he's a jet. We're so good at this. That's 'cause we're so stealthy. Doing good. Doing great. Ah!
So, even the Autobots know about this place.
And we don't. That must change.
Talk!
She mean you? Nah, she means you. Who are you talking to?
I don't care. One of you start talking.
I'm not talking. I'm not talking either. Yeah. Matter of fact, the only thing we're gonna do is break into your secret building and find out what's going on.
Very well.
Go on in. Be our guest.
Really? Are you sure?
Now!
Smooth talking back there. They didn't know what hit them.
How is this going to take care of the other one? It didn't even send Jetfire to Unspace.
You're a bolthead. The dimensional ray will work after we test it. On him.
Do your worst, you dirty triple changer.
Take that! Take that!
I'm on it! Wreck and Ruin, where's my stabilizer?
The what?
The purple thing!
Oh yeah! Got it!
Huh?
What are you two doing here?
You've been told this area is off limits.
Yeah, looks like you have everything under control.
Leave. Now. Make us.
It's gonna be okay. I've got what you need.
I just don't know how to think.
Don't worry about it. Welcome back. You're cured.
Fantastic! You are the pinnacle of medical...
Yeah, I know. Let's get out of here.
Come on! Let's go!
these Autobots. Their interference fits them.
Rack and Ruin and Ratchet, well done. Jetfire, I am glad to see you in one piece. Optimus out.
Best mission ever!